The Iguazu Waterfalls are one of the most impressive natural wonders on our planet, as well as providing a natural border between Argentina and Brazil, unique in the South American continent. From a wide expanse of nearly 3 kilometers, the water plunges down into the depths below, creating a thunderous roar amid the tropical scenery. Up to 80 meters above sea level, around 270 waterfalls form prior to reuniting in a pool below. In 1541, the Spaniard Alvar Núñez de Vaca was the first European to discover the waterfalls. But for him, they were more of a barrier than a magnificent spectacle. In the following 2 centuries, the Jesuits explored this area and attempted to educate the native inhabitants. However, in 1767, they were banished. It has been estimated that during the rainy season, 14,000 cubic meters of water a second pass over the falls. Sunlight shines out in the spray of the water and creates an array of wonderful rainbows, a constant natural spectacle. The locality is well organized, and each year millions of visitors make their way to the waterfalls along several wooden pathways. Roaring curtains of water, thunderous noise, glittering spray. All this is created by the mighty natural wonder of the Iguazu Waterfalls.